install this like this. It's pretty cool when I'm driving around. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Who's having a great day. I want to first start off by thanking all of you guys who have subscribed to my channel. If you have not subscribed and this is your first time watching one of my videos, please do me a big favor and smash that subscribe button for me. All right, guys, so today we're going to be upgrading the Jeep Wrangler. We're going to be installing a mirror mounted dash camera and a reverse camera. My Jeep has neither one of these features, so it's going to be a great upgrade for this Jeep. This kit that I ended up getting actually will work on any maker model. As long as you have a rear mirror, it'll work for your car. I'm going to show you guys how to install it, what all the features it has, and how easy it is to install. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so this is the model I ended up going with. It's the Vantop mirror mounted dash camera. Let's take a look at the inside and see what all comes with this. All right, and this kind of just goes over, and this is actually your camera right here. Just slides that out, and that'll be your dash camera. That's kind of cool. This looks like our power wire. This is like our reverse camera, so it's quite a bit of wire. This just plugs into the mirror. And this is going to be the signal wire. So this is going to be where we're going to wire into the reverse harness to get the reverse signal for that reverse camera. I'm going to show you guys an easy way to do that. If you guys don't have a Jeep, you guys can purchase one of these test lights here. And these are like $8 on Amazon. I'm gonna show you guys how to use this to figure out what wire you need to tap that into to get your reverse camera working. But yeah, this should be pretty easy. We got some little stickies for the camera. If you don't want to drill into your bumper or whatever, you can stick the camera down with this little two-sided tape. This looks like I guess the clips that hold to your existing mirror. Just go around like that, and then that holds it to your existing rearview mirror. Pretty simple. So yeah, let's get started on installing this and running the wire, which the hardest part is probably going to be running the wire to the inside or the bottom, wherever you want to. And like I said, the good thing is we don't have to hardwire this into the car's harness. We can just use this 12-volt connector and that's it. So yeah, let's get installed. All right, so we're gonna come over here and we're just gonna install this like this. Hook that around. This goes around like that. That's one side. Do the same for the other. It just goes on like so, and that's it. That's the install, and there's the camera on the side. Cool. So now I just got to run the wire, and that should be it. All right, guys, so I'm not going to show you guys how I ran my wire since this is a universal kit. I'm just going to kind of show you a little bit of a quick clip on what I did and how I ran my wire in my Jeep. Okay, guys, so I got into the point where I ran the wire for the reverse camera, and it's going to be hooked up right here. And this is the red wire that needs to be hooked up to your reverse harness. What you want to do to figure out where your reverse light is without getting a diagram or anything like that is just go ahead and unplug your tail light, grab your test light, ground it off on a good location, and right now I'm going to send a signal to my turn signals. So I can go in here and I can touch every single one, and nothing lights up, and now my bulb here is flashing. So I know this top right corner one here, this one is my turn signal light. So I'm looking for my reverse light. Go ahead and put parking brake on, put that in reverse, come back here, And no, my light came on. So that tells me that this white with gray is my reverse lamp. So that's the wire that I'll be connecting my light to. So I'm going to use a T-tap. I'm going to show you guys what I use. That way I don't have to splice or nothing like that. I just use a T-tap. I'll show you what that is here in a little bit. Alright guys, these are the T-taps I was talking to you guys about earlier on how we're going to make the connection for the reverse lamp. These are pretty simple to use, really handy, so you guys don't have to have any kind of splicing or any cutting. This is really simple, guys. You just need one of these and one of these, and they connect. I'm going to show you guys on the harness what to do. Alright, like I said, what we're going to need are some wire strippers. So this end goes on the red wire. Make our connection like this. We said our gray and white wire was our reverse lamp, so we lay that in there, and we just initially just squeeze these together. Helps to have pliers that squeeze it a little bit tighter. Make sure we get a good connection. There we go. Now we just plug this into here. There you go. That's our connection. Put it all back together. I actually ran my wire through this hole right here in this bumper. I'm going to go ahead and connect our connector. And like so. Just like that. For now, I'm just going to leave it there and get everything plugged in, make sure everything works first. Grab our power. And okay, and I'm just gonna run it through here for now to make sure everything's gonna work. Wow. Oh, I need to install the SD memory card. Sorry about the glare. The glare from the windshield is actually reflecting on here. All right, so I'm gonna try this again a little later in the day, so the glare is not so bad on the mirror. Sorry about that, guys. But here you can see the clean picture, and here with this we can toggle back and forth with the front and the rear, and then you can do a split screen where you have the front and the backup camera, which is pretty cool. When I'm driving around, this is where I'm going to leave it, like this, front and rear. And you can also change the settings as far as like the picture you want for here. Let's see if I get that for you guys. So you can do resolution. Like right now I have it set at 1080. You can do 720, 480. Dual cameras are on. Yeah, there's a lot of function features here. Exposure, HDR. The owner's manual does a really good job, guys, of explaining everything for you guys and how it does. What I'm going to do for you guys now is I'm going to drive around, and I already got an SD card in there. I'm going to go drive around and up. Incident happens in the front, I'm recording, and incident happens in the back, I'm also recording. That's a pretty cool feature. Alright, that's it. It's a wrap for today's video. Install was pretty simple. It took me a little over an hour, only because I needed to hide the wires and make it a clean look. So it took me a little bit longer time, but it was pretty simple. You just don't have to install the rear camera if you don't want to. You can just install the dash camera, run the power wire, install the micro SD card, and there you go. You're ready to go. I'm also going to put the link in the description below on the SD card I'm using. Actually, all the products that you saw today's video, I'll link them out down below on where you can get them. They're all Amazon 2-day shipping, which is a big plus. If you guys have any comments, any questions, any concerns, put them in the comments below, and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. And we'll see you guys on the next one.